Good morning everybody, bon dia a todos. We are back aboard. We're just literally going out for the day. Me and my business partner Phil and his wife Sue. Phil, who I'm buying the boat with, we're literally going to share the cost of it this season. I'm going to restore it as a joint project. The engines were serviced as far as changing the oil, the filters. So we had new fuel filters, new oil filters, all the fan belts were checked, etc. And had new oil. She's coming out of the water now on the 7th of August. She'll be out for about 10 days. I will be here, so I will film the work. This is for the major service to those engines. So I'll get all the work done and I'll try and get it every day. I'll try and pop down to show you where they're up to and what they're doing. At the same time as that, Fabio from the car wrap from the shrink wrap company is coming around to wrap the boat that week. So I'll film that process as well, and you'll see a new colour scheme as she unfolds, etc. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to go out, and I'm going to show you today how you can have just as much fun on a 28-foot, £40,000 boat as you can on a £1 million 50-foot cruiser. See you soon, guys. Bye for now. So here we are. Heading down to Ferragudo. We've got Phil at the helm. In a minute, a bit close. A lovely day for it. Sue on the back. And we're heading to our usual anchorage down at Ferragudo. But this time in a 9-metre boat rather than a 16-metre boat. Got a little bit of swell. Nothing to write home about though. So here we are down in Ferragudo. Nice and quiet today for a change. Won't be like that next month in August. Fantastic trip down, about 26 knots. Captain Phil there brought us down. It's quiet today. I'll find a nice place to anchor.
Probably like it.
Call the water taxi. Got a table booked at Club Now. Gonna be a lovely lunch. Well, Summer Lovin's there, just bobbing away at anchor, just in front of that yacht you can see. We're down in Ferragudo, in Club Now, where we are having lunch. We just ordered and we're waiting for food. There's Phil and Sue. All good. Lunch in Club Now. We'll go back now and meet up with the water taxi back to Summer Lovin and chill out for the afternoon, have an aperitif, have a little swim in the ocean. Absolutely perfect day. Well, here we are waiting for the water taxi. Summer Lovin is just over there, just at our yacht, and Ferragudo Marina is over there, Portimao Marina is over there, and there is a super yacht in. So here comes our water taxi to take us back to Summer Lovin. Gonna be a lovely afternoon. Have to sleep that lunch off though, that was quite spectacular. And there's Summer Lovin, just whizzing round on the water taxi. Looking good. So we're spending the afternoon now, having had lunch in the anchorage at Ferragudo, chilling out on the boat. If Phil ever puts his phone down and stops working, gonna be a glorious one. Look at this, absolutely lovely. You see, you can have just as much fun with a 30,000 boat as you can with an £500,000 boat. Well, that's it. She's been washed and put to bed. It's been a wonderful day. Phil and Sue have just set off for home. We'll be back on her again this week. I think we'll be having another day on her. But it's been a lovely day. Like I said, you can have just as much fun on a boat this size that costs as little as this as you can on a 50-foot boat that will cost you an absolute fortune. We've been out on her now for a week. We filled her up earlier in the week and we put just under 400 euros in, I think 380 euros in from empty. And she's just above the halfway mark on the fuel tanks. And we've been out like 4 days now on her. So that's absolutely amazing. If you were talking about that in Andrezza, you'd be talking about maybe 1,500 to 1,800 pounds worth of 1,800 euros worth of fuel. So absolutely amazing day. Plenty more to come. She's coming out of the water, as I said, in about a week and a half's time now, and then she'll be brand spanky looking new when she's finished and she goes back into the water with a new body wrap and a new colour scheme. That's it, guys. See you soon. Bye for now.